Approximately 4.5 billion years from now, the Sun will enter the final stage of its life. The core where hydrogen fusion takes place will continue to expand, eventually turning the Sun into a red giant. The expanding Sun will engulf Mercury and Venus and incinerate Earth into ashes. In the best-case scenario, Earth will be reduced to a smoldering heap of iron and nickel. In the worst-case scenario, it will cease to exist entirely. As the Sun releases an enormous amount of heat, the habitable zone of the solar system, where liquid water can exist on a planet's surface, will steadily move outward. By then, Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, will absorb a large amount of heat. This will come partly from the Sun's radiation, and partly because Jupiter itself will become hotter and reflect more sunlight, providing additional warmth to Europa. At present, Europa is a frozen world covered by an ice sheet. At that time, its icy crust will sublimate, and the subsurface ocean beneath it will begin to evaporate. The side of Europa facing Jupiter will experience the most heating due to maximum heat absorption. Additionally, the equatorial regions will suffer severe water loss. However, the poles on the side facing away from Jupiter will remain relatively cooler, with a more moderate loss of moisture. Researchers speculate that a thin water vapor atmosphere might form in those regions. In the distant future, Europa may become the last refuge for any remaining life in the solar system.